What is going on, guys? My name is John Stacks, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some cars for sale at the salvage auction. Now this is like a part 2 to my last video. Last time I did a quick walk around featuring every car. It was a 15-minute video and I think there was like 50 cars in there. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the top 3 most requested cars. And those cars were the Nissan GTR, the Fiat 500, and the Challenger Hellcat. Now these cars haven't sold yet. They're still for sale at the auction. I think it's scheduled sometime next week. So I can't give a price update just yet. But I will be making a price reveal video in the future since the cars haven't sold yet. But I'm going to be using the website autoauctions.io. It shows how much the car is sold for, the current bid, how many times the car has been sold previously at auction, and all that good stuff. And if you guys like salvage cars, auction cars, cheap cars, stuff like that, that's what my channel is all about. So make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. If you didn't enjoy a video, leave a dislike, let me know why. So with that being said, let's dive right in.
Yes, yeah.
Let it run a little bit and then you can rev it.
Exactly, you gotta let it, No, definitely don't want to rev it.
I'm gonna check the oil before I rev it for sure though, you know?
No, you definitely don't want to rev it on the cold start. That's not smart. Yeah, this thing is clean, bro. There's like no damage on this thing.
I'm gonna check the oil right now. Yo, check it out. Oh yeah, this thing's full of oil. We're good, right?
Yeah.
Good, clean oil.
It's practically brand new.
Yeah, this car is super new, so. Alright. Dude, this thing is sick. Is it like a Corsa motor in GTR?
I love the interior.
Yeah, this is sick. Oh yeah, it's got like 7,000 miles, right?
7,000 miles.
That's how much it has, right?
Yeah.
Feeling that Hellcat? Yeah. We got the key for it too. So.
I'll have it one day. Yeah.
I'm about to go meet Jake Rich soon, so that's good.
Yeah, dude.
Meet TJ. Yeah.
Yeah, it does that. That's on the some even
No, look.
Yeah, it goes down because it
doesn't have a top render. It closes a little bit, but when you close it,
doesn't hit any brakes.
Oh, because I got the key too. Yeah, that's what I meant.
The door's not closed all the way.
Oh yeah, the door is. That's why. Oh, that's lit. Yeah, that's super good. Yo, I think if it can run in the full power, we can take it off, right? Put it on the Hellcat? Yeah. Okay, yeah, take that one off first. Who wants to run it? Because I want to listen to it from the back.
Alright, fully warm. Let's see what it sounds like.
Dude, Hellcat's gonna be way louder. This is gonna blow us out the water.
Yeah, this is more like, dude, you gotta remember, this is just out to beast for building. You're lucky. Don't worry, one day I'm gonna get there. want to freaking just romp on this thing. So don't worry, bro. I'm not gonna get you. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a burn the hell out. Like a rollback burnout. Oh, I'm not gonna. You know what? Yeah, I should have gotten enough charge.
Yeah, I mean, it's been running.
He's like, I don't want to turn it on. I want to take it home. Yo, be careful with that wire, bro. You're
Yeah.
you're like mad close. So I think that's the problem.
Let me try to see if this everything else just makes me want to blow up. Yeah, for real. It's like a one guy
Alright, this one's been warming up for a good 12 minutes.
Yo, you ready? Walk down there. Yo, I'm telling you the 2 hours more. Yo, I'm telling you the 2 hours more.
What do you guys think of this damage? Rear quarter panel right here. And then a little bit of the front. Over here it's like zip tied. Take a look here. ABS light is on, tire pressure, traction control. That's insane. It has a full tank, but the range is 162 miles. I can't believe that. Dash airbag deployed. This one.
This front, like there's apparently a little bit of damage up here, but